Hi, Martin. Hi, Martin.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good.
Excellent. Very good. Hi, Francisco. Hi, Frank. All right. Hi, Reynaldo.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Excellent. Very good. Francisco, can you hear me?
Yes. How
All
are you?
right. Okay. Very good. I'm fine. I'm fine. Very good. I was worried only Martin was in class, but now I have Francisco and Reynaldo. All right. Very nice. Okay. How's everybody? Reynaldo, you were not in class yesterday, right?
Yes, I was on vacation. So
Ah, you were on vacation. All right. That's
sorry.
okay. Now that's fine. Don't worry about it. What about the platform, Reynaldo? How are you doing in the platform? Did you finish section 1 already in the platform?
Mm, mm, I don't understand.
Okay, in the platform, on the exercises, are you finished section 1?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay. All right. Very good. That's good. And you, Martin, you finished section 1 too?
Vamos a ver. Aquí estamos. La plataforma 2.1.
Excellent, Martin. Very good. Nice. Good. Very good. Let's see
Yes.
who else I have here. I have Josue. Very good. I have Mauricio.
Hello.
Hi. And let's see. Who else do I have here? Juventino. Hi. You guys can hear me? All right, let's see. Okay, guys, very good. So everybody, welcome back. Welcome to class. I think, do I have girls right now or only men? Oh my goodness. All right, very good. Okay, so that's okay. Let's begin, guys. So yesterday we were talking about used to, all right? Or didn't used to, okay? That was part of the simple past that we were studying before vacation, and that's how we finished it today. I mean, yesterday, saying I used to play Barbie dolls, but now I don't play with Barbies anymore. Or I didn't use online classes, now I do, all right? So the used to is the same structure as the simple past. If you say didn't, I didn't used to, and then we use the used to in the base form. I'm gonna share with you, for the ones that did not, were not in class yesterday, just give me 1 second. I just wanna find it here. The one that we were working on yesterday. All right, let's see. It's here, all right. Okay, so I have it right here with me. And this is for the people that were not in class yesterday, okay? So you kind of understand what we're talking about. Let me find it. All right, I don't know where it is. Where did it go? I had it. Okay, anyway, we were talking about that yesterday. Do you have any questions for the ones that were in class yesterday? Do you have any questions about yesterday's class, or you're okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. All right, so it's here. Okay, I'm not gonna share right now. I don't know why I can't. Okay, let's see. All right, so today we're gonna talk about something different. We're gonna talk about count and non-count nouns. So that one I am gonna share with you because I have it right here. Let me see if this is the one. All right, so I'm gonna share this one, and I'm gonna share also some other ones that I have here for you guys. All right. I don't know what's going on today with this. Anyway, okay, guys, I'm having problems right now with this, but we're gonna keep on talking about it. What about count nouns and non-count nouns? What do we know about those? What do we know about count nouns? Hi, Joanna. What do we know about count nouns and non-count nouns? Guys, anybody?
The count nouns are things that can we count.
Yeah, can be counted. Okay, very good.
For example, watches, cars, televisions,
All right.
dogs, etc.
All right, very good. What about non-count nouns, Reynaldo? Non-count nouns?
Water.
Water, yes, okay. Water, you cannot count it. What else? What else we can mention non-count nouns, Martin?
Hair.
Hair, yeah, you cannot count hair. Very good. Anything else, Josue or Raquel? Josue, are you there? Raquel, are you there? Can you hear me? Oh, you guys are very quiet today. After vacation, we have, you know, it's like nobody's is participating. What happened? All right, let's see. Raquel, are you there?
Yes.
Hi, Raquel. How are you?
Fine.
Excellent. Okay. So Raquel, can you tell us a little bit about non-count nouns, please?
Maybe
Uh-huh.
love teacher.
All right. Anna, give me an example, Joa.
Love.
Love.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Another one. What about another one?
Brain.
Yeah, okay. What else? What else can we talk about when we talk about non-count nouns? Anything else? Did you guys, thank you, Raquel, did you watch the video about on the platform, guys, about what the teacher was talking to you about?
No.
You guys didn't watch it?
No.
Yeah, they were talking about traffic or things that happen in a city, all right? Like, for example, pollution or traffic or, okay, smoke, all right? If I, for example, if I say to you, pollution is a count or non-count nouns?
Non-count.
Non-count. What about traffic?
Non-count.
Non-count. Non-count. All right, very good. What about, let's see, what about cars? Can we count cars?
Yes.
Countable.
Yes, we can count cars. Yes, they are countable. What about hair? Can we count hair?
Countable.
Countable hair?
No, uncountable.
Unless you only have one pelito, right?
No.
You can count it. All right, very good. Otherwise, you can't. What about sand? Can you count sand?
No.
No? All right.
No.
Okay. Uncountable. What about money?
Yes. Count.
Can you
Yes, countable.
is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Are you sure?
Oh, sure.
Positive. Ricardo.
Depend of the how many money they have.
But listen, okay, hold on. You say how much money or how many money?
How much?
So if you say how much,
How
is it
much money?
countable or uncountable?
Yeah.
If you use, but you're using much. When do we use much? For countable or uncountable nouns?
I think it's countable.
But you're using much.
Money is uncountable.
Money is uncountable.
But coins are countable and bills.
That's different. Okay, but money in general is uncountable.
Yeah, depend of the how much.
Yeah, If you only refer to money as money, then it's uncountable.
Yeah,
That's why you say how
uncountable.
much. If
Thanks.
I ask you, how many coins do you have? Then that becomes countable because you can count the coins. Or I say, how many $1 bills do you have? And then you say $5 bills. That is countable. All right, very good. What about emotions? Can we count emotions?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. All right, very good. Okay, okay. Anything else? Can we think about anything else that we might know as countable or uncountable? Guys, anything else?
The tears.
Tears. What about them?
They're uncountable.
They are uncountable?
They are.
Yeah, I know it. A lot of tears. Much tears. All right. It depends on the situation.
Yeah, you know.
Sand. Yes, very good. Sand. Yes, sand is another uncountable noun.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know what's happening to my computer today, guys. You know what? This is what we're going to do right now. I'm going to send you right now to your, there I go. Here you go. No, forget it. We're going to do this right now together. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you guys see it? Yeah? Okay, very good.
I can.
Let's try to, very good. Let's try to do this together, guys, all right? It's a pre-test. Let's see how much you know. So the instructions, we're not gonna select because I'm gonna read it and you're going to choose the option, all right? So I say, for example, number 1, can you please lend me a little dollars, no dollars, a few dollars, any dollars, much dollars?
Any.
A few.
Any dollars? A few. Very good. A few dollars. Very good. What about number 2? Do not feed some of the animals at the zoo, any of the animals at the zoo, many of the animals at the zoo, none of the animals at the zoo, or a few of the animals at the zoo.
Any.
Maybe some.
Any.
Do not feed any of the animals at the zoo because it's negative and we use any.
Negative.
Yeah, very good, guys. Nice. All right, next. You ready? Then I have this one. There are houses for sale in the new housing project. Many, much, a little, a or an.
Many.
Many.
Because it is countable. Very good.
Countable.
Llevan 3 de 3. My goodness, you guys are very good.
Oh boy.
Number 4. There is milk left. I have to go to the supermarket. Many, enough, a few, a little.
A little. No.
There is a little milk left.
A little milk left.
Yeah, I have to go to the restaurant. All right, very good. Next one. Oops, sorry. Next one right here. Did we do this one? Okay, number 5. Is there crime in the metropolitan area? Many, a few, several, much, or enough?
Much.
Much. Very good. Let's see. Luis Garcia, number 6. During the months of August and September, there is much in Puerto Rico. Luis. Water, rain, oil, snow, or fog?
Rain.
Rain. Very good. All right. Next one. Joanna Navidad, are you ready? Joanna? Good. Okay. Hi, Joanna. All right. Number 7. My boss drinks 6 of coffee every day. Jars, glasses, cups, pins, or bottles?
Cups.
Depends.
Cups of coffee. Jars. Yeah, that's a very good point. It depends if you're a cafetera.
Yeah, the cafetera bottles.
Yeah, bottles.
Yeah.
No kidding. I know. All right. Okay. Number 8. Ricardo, would you like orange juice?
Any orange?
Would you like any orange juice? Are you sure, Ricardo?
Some orange.
Yeah, I would go with some. Yeah, would you like some orange juice? Yes, very nice. Very good.
Orange.
Very good. And okay, nice. Number 9, Francisco. Peter lost his ID card. He's in trouble because he has ID to cash his check at the bank. He has any, a, the, no, or one.
Peter lost ID card. He's in trouble because he has no ID.
Excellent, Francisco,
No,
very good.
no ID.
Yes, that's right, very good. Marcelo, you ready, Marcelo?
Yes.
Excellent. You shouldn't eat so much red meat because meat has cholesterol. Many, a few, no, much, or any.
Much.
Much cholesterol, very good. All right, next one. Martin, are you ready, Martin?
Yes.
All right, are you ready to order, sir? Yes, I would like scrambled eggs with 3 of bacon and a big glass of grape juice. Strips, slices, pounds, packages, or bags. Depende, van a decir también.
Yeah.
Depends, yeah.
Yeah, it depends, all
I
right.
like pounds.
Pounds of bacon, ya no quieren, eh?
Slices.
Slices.
Ajá, Martin,
Yes,
what do you go with?
The license, B.
All right, very good. Yeah, slices, very good. Reynaldo, number 12. Paint do we need to paint the house? What amount of, how much, what average of, how many, what quantity of?
How many?
How many gallons of paint do we need to paint the house? All right.
Yes.
Yeah, because you're talking about gallons. Very nice. Thank you. Dominguez? Is it Erika? No. I have E. Dominguez. Are you there?
Hi, it's Lily. Lily Dominguez.
Okay, all right. It's Lily, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready for number 13?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have envelope? I need to mail this letter. A, to, on, 5, the.
Letter C. M.
An envelope. Very good, guys. Very good. Nice. Flores. Jesse, right? All right.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Jesse, number 14. Unemployment is there in your town. How many, what amount of, what quantity of, what average of, or how much?
How many?
Are you sure?
How many?
Okay, guys, what do you think? Is that okay? How many?
What quantity?
Yes.
What quantity?
C.
You say what quantity of unemployment? I don't think so. You cannot really count
How
it.
much?
Yeah, I would go with how much. How much?
How much?
Yeah, how much
How
unemployment?
much
Yeah.
unemployment?
Yes, very good.
How much?
Raquel, next one, Raquel. My father eats of oatmeal for breakfast every morning to lower his cholesterol level. A cup, a bowl, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, or a plate?
Oatmeal. I don't know.
Oatmeal is
Avena.
Oatmeal. Okay.
Oatmeal.
A cup.
you
A
think?
tablespoon.
A bowl.
Or a bowl.
No, it's a bowl. It's a bowl of oatmeal. Yeah. All right. A teaspoon is like a cucharadita, and then you don't put
Yeah.
on it. All right. Yeah. It would be a letter B. All right. That's right. Very good.
Bowl.
Yeah.
Bowl.
A bowl. Yes. So it's like
Why not a plate?
because it's like a soup, and you don't
Yes, that's soup, yeah. You have
you
to
don't
use
put soup in a plate.
cup.
All right. So it's a
bowl.
bowl. A bowl. So it's like a like a nice container. All right. Very good. Let me see. Who else? Josue, are you ready, Josue? Josue Salmeron, are you
Yes.
there? Excellent. Number 16, Josue. What do you usually eat for lunch? I
Oat.
usually eat sandwich, potato chips, and glasses of iced tea. Which option do you do?
Letter A.
A sandwich, some potato chips, and 2 glasses of iced tea. Is everybody okay with the answer? Do you guys agree?
Repeat, please.
Okay, I usually, excuse me, I usually eat sandwich, potato
Yes.
chips, and glasses of iced tea. Which option?
A.
Yeah, it's letter A. Very
Letter
good,
A.
Jose. Yeah, very good. Nice. All right. Juventino, can you hear us? I think, hold on, I think he can't hear us. Yes, I'm here. All right, okay, very good. Are you ready for the next question? Yeah? Excellent, very good. Okay, just let me read it here. Okay, next one. Oops, no more questions.
Some more.
No, there
Repeat
you go.
again.
No, who is it
Yes.
already? Can you
Yes.
please bring me of bread from the bakery store? You say a slice, a strip, a pound, a roll, or a piece. What do you say, my friend? Type it. We're gonna see it. A piece,
A
you
piece.
think?
A roll.
A roll. I would go with a roll. All right. A piece it would be like a little tiny little piece.
Yeah, yeah.
Un pedacito, right? I think a roll, right? Very good.
A roll.
Yeah, very good. Nice. Thank you. Aquí me falta who haven't I asked? I asked
Repeat again.
Raquel, are you there? Raquel is here. Yeah, I will repeat. We have a lot of questions. Raquel, are you ready for number 18? Yeah, Raquel, are you ready? Yes? Raquel. I don't know if she can hear me. Raquel, you can, okay, very good, Raquel. Okay. There are many in my English course. Studentees, a student, a studentess, a students, or students?
E.
A, B, C, D, or E, my friend Raquel.
C.
Yeah. Letter? D. Raquel, ¿tiene problema con sonido ahora?
Sí.
Students,
E?
all right. Letter E? This one?
Students. No. Yes.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's
It's letter D, students, all right? This is possessive. All right, so it would be letter D, Raquel. Very good. Okay. Vamos otra vez con otro round. Very good. Martin, ready?
Yes.
Excellent, guys. My sister is a vegetarian. She doesn't eat meat at all. Enough, a little, a lot of, much, or any.
Let it be
A little?
a little meat.
Are you sure, Martin?
Much. Let it be
Are
any meal. Any meal.
Any, all right, she doesn't eat any, very good, because it's no. Remember that any, you use it for,
Question.
for questions and for negative, all right, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, number 20, Francisco, are you there? Frank, se me acaba de ir. All right,
Yes.
Francisco, there you are. Where were you all day? I call you many, but there was no answer. Time, times, hours, minutes, or seconds?
Letter B, times.
Times, very good, nice. Ricardo, ready?
Ready.
Excellent, all right, next one. Oops, no, esto no.
No.
Oh no, that's
No.
not, I don't want you to see that. Okay, I'm sorry, no more questions. Después vamos con más preguntas, all right? We have more questions after that. Okay, so I know that you guys know this, all right, but we need to see it anyway. I'm gonna go like, I'm gonna explain it to you, but you know this, all right? So count nouns, all right, are nouns which can be counted. Whatever you have around you can count it, or no, or you can't, all right? So we have, that means that can be more than one. For example, boy, dog, book, restaurant, sandwich, strawberry. All of the pictures that you see here, you can count them, okay? So you can say 1 boy, 10 boys, 1 million boys, all right? Or just one boy. If you have questions, please let me know, okay? Next one. Okay. It was this one? Yeah. Okay. Count nouns. Listen to this. Use indefinite articles a or an before singular count nouns. We're going to use a only for count nouns, not for non-count nouns. All right? Okay, now it says use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Okay? And use an before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, you say umbrella, an umbrella, a university. All right? Yes, you understand? If you guys don't understand,
Yes.
please tell me, Jessica, I don't understand. Explain
Yes.
again. All right, I think someone is having trouble getting in. I don't know who it is. All right, okay. Zoom is not loading up. Okay.
That counts.
Okay, next one here. Okay, so here are some examples: a teacher, a hat, a flashlight, a mountain, a rabbit, a calculator, a donut, an artist, an onion, an umbrella, an elephant, an elevator, and an egg. All right. Remember that is the sound, not if it is a real consonant or a real vowel. It's the sound that we go after. Okay, then we have also remember that the H, it can sound is silent or it can sound like a consonant. You say an hour, sounds like a vowel, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you say hotel, it sounds like a
Hotel.
a hotel. All right, it sounds like because it sounds like a consonant. All right. Now again, this is about count nouns. Usually you pluralize it just by adding s, or depends on the spelling, you're going to write es or ies, but it's the same. Student, students, brush, brushes, tray, country, countries. All right, I can say one country, 10 countries, one brush, 2 brushes, one student, 20 students. All right. So remember that with count nouns, only S or ES or IES depends on the spelling. IES, very good. Okay, if you have here, but remember we have some irregular, all right? So I say man, men, woman, women, child, children. Ojo, don't say children's.
Children.
All right, you can't say children's anymore, just en plural. Remember that it's already pluralized. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet, person, people. Yes? Guys, are you listening?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, we are.
Okay, very good. Are you paying attention? Are you understanding?
Yes,
Yes, we are.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
If you don't understand, tell me to stop. All right. Count nouns can be counted with numbers. Professor, 1 professor. Cookie, 2 cookies. State, 13 states. ¿Alguien tiene ahí como una bullita por ahí? Rabbit, 10 rabbits. All right? So you can put the number. How many rabbits? 10. How many cookies? 5. How many teachers or professors? 2 or only 1. All right, because you can count them. All right, now we talk about non-count nouns, okay? Ricardo, can you read it, please?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Non-count nouns.
Yeah.
Non-count nouns are nouns which cannot be counted or are difficult to count.
Ah, examples, Ricardo?
Example, time, rice, juice, weather, yearly, pollution, butter.
Excellent, all right. So time, you cannot count it. Rice, you cannot count it unless you're a little crazy, right? And you go 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
and it takes forever, all right? Very good. Okay,
Yeah.
next one, very good. Maribel, can you continue, please? Non-count nouns.
Do not use a, an, nor one with non-count nouns.
Okay.
A noun can't. Noun does not have a plural form.
It doesn't have,
You use quantifiers to help count non-count nouns.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, Maribel. So remember that the non-count nouns, they don't have a plural. You say love, loves. No, you cannot say that. Pollution, pollutions. No. Money, monies. No. All right. They don't have plural. Pluralize them. Okay. Now, non-count nouns are classified into 5 different groups. Okay, aquí vamos a ver why money is uncountable. All right. Group A, Let's see. Who wants to read? Tell me who wants to read. I want you guys reading here. Hi, Erika. All right. I want volunteers to read, guys.
Me.
Excellent, Erika. Very good.
Who's talking there?
Who?
Uh-huh.
Who? Me.
Hello.
Yeah. You can read.
Who?
I don't know your name. I can't distinguish. Maribel. Okay, Maribel. Yeah. Keep on reading. Yes.
Okay. Group A. Nouns that have no distinct separate parts. You look at the whole part.
You look at the whole part. Very good.
At the whole part. Examples: milk, oil, water, coffee, tea, yogurt, air, pork, cholesterol, paper, soup, bread, meat, butter,
And
poultry.
Very good. Continue. Now I want, thank you, Maribel. Very good. Someone else to read, please. Group B. Who's going to read Group B? Only one volunteer, not many.
Group B.
Thank you.
Nouns that have parts that are too small or insignificant to count. Example, rice, sugar, salt, snow, sand, corn, hair, grass, popcorn.
Excellent. All right. Because they're two things. They're like very small. The pieces are very small. All right. Thank you. Yes. Group C. A ver, who's going to read Group C?
Group C. Nouns that are classes or categories of things. The members of the categories are not the same.
All right.
Examples, category, non-count. Money.
Money, yeah.
Money, food, candy, furniture, and clothing.
Clothing,
Members.
all right.
Nickels, dimes, dollars. Vegetables, meat, fruit. Chocolate, mint, candy bars, chairs, tables, and beds.
All right.
Sweaters, pants and dresses.
Okay, so this is why, guys, money, you cannot count it because it says nouns that are classes or categories of things. The members of the categories are not the same. All right. So money is one category, but inside you have different things. Nickels that are not the same as dimes, that are not the same as dollars, okay? Food, when you talk about food, you talk about vegetables, you talk about meats. Everything that you eat is food, okay? Furniture, you have tables, you have chairs, you have beds, you have dressers, you have, I don't know what else, desks, all right? Or cabinets. So that's why you cannot, these are non-count nouns, all right? Guys, hello.
All right.
Okay, yes. Okay, very nice. Let's continue. Very good. Examples here. Let's see, mail also. We talk about letters or packages or postcards. Fruit, you say cherries, apples, or grapes. If you, for example, I say, Luis, how much fruit do you eat a week?
I eat much fruit.
Okay, very good.
In a week.
In a week, very good. If I say, Luis, how many apples do you eat in a week?
I eat 5 apples in a week.
5 apples in a week. So fruit is non-countable. But then if I say apples or bananas or mangoes or peaches or papayas, then that is countable. Yeah, that is a little bit different, all right? Makeup for the ladies. Let's see, Joanna, how much makeup do you wear? All right, Joanna can say a lot or very, a few or very little, sorry, all right? Or not much. Or I say, how many lipsticks do you have, Joanna?
One.
Only one? All right, okay, I don't have lipsticks. All right, very good, okay. So, look at that, homework. Homework is a non-count noun. if I give you, for example, 10 homework, but it's always going to be homework, not homeworks. Okay, because it can be English, it can be mathematics, it can be social studies, all right? So it's different. Time and crime, all right? It's also non-countable. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's continue here. Nouns, group D. Who's gonna read group D?
Okay.
Group D.
Nouns.
Uh-huh.
Nouns that are abstraction. Example, love, life, time, truth, beauty, love, fun, help, advice, knowledge,
Knowledge, very good.
education, intelligence, employment, patience,
Patience.
noise, information,
Yeah.
happiness,
Yes.
education, experience, crime, music, art, work, health.
Excellent. Those are abstractions or abstract nouns, so they are non-count. Okay, all of these are non-count. Okay, very good. I think that's the A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, that's the last one. All right, who's going to read E?
Group E.
Mm-hmm.
Nouns that are subjects of study.
Okay, study.
Examples.
Study.
History,
Yeah.
chemistry,
Very
English,
good.
zoology, grammar, geometry, Spanish, art, biology, math, geography, music, even
Okay.
thought mathematics ends with S is not a plural.
It is not a plural because it's the name, all right? That's because it's the name, okay? Very good. Luis is even though, all right? Even though?
Yes.
Okay.
Even though. Okay.
Mathematics, very good. Okay. Do you understand? So all the school subjects, they are non-count nouns, okay?
Okay.
Okie dokie. This is the same that we were talking about, just put in a chart. Okay, so I think this is very important for you guys because you can know more non-count nouns, because usually if someone asks you what is a non-count noun, you say water, sugar, salt, and that's it, all right? But there are many non-count nouns, and this is an example of a lot of the non-count nouns that we can mention, okay? When we talk about weather, snow, rain, fog, ice, all right? Gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and air, those are non-count. So you have many examples here, okay, of these non-count nouns. Okay, now, how to measure non-count nouns? Use quantifiers, such as containers, measure words and portions to help you count non-count nouns. But also, y es donde nos vamos a concentrar today. We're going to concentrate on this today. Use quantity words such as much, many, a lot of, a little, a few, some, any, and no. Okay? To help you have an idea of the amount of a non-count noun. Okay? All right. We have, for example, here, I need a volunteer. Volunteers, guys, I have how many students? I have 16, all right.
Okay, coffee.
Coffee, lady, yes, Erika?
Coffee, a cup of coffee.
Yes, continue.
Bread, a slice of bread.
Continue, very good.
Cereal, a bowl of cereal.
Nice, Erika, very good.
Oil, a
quart.
A quart of oil.
Very good.
Paint, a gallon.
Gallon
Of paint.
Very good.
Soup,
no,
a bar.
Soap.
Soup.
Soap,
Soap.
Different con jabón, soap.
This is soap, jabón, and the other one is soup, S-O-U-P.
Soap.
Yeah. This is soap, the other one is soup. And the spelling is different, Erika.
Okay,
right.
Soap.
A
bar of soap.
Very good. And rain?
Rain and inch of rain.
Excellent, Erika. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's see this one. Lo vamos a hacer a little bigger here, guys. All right. Another volunteer, please.
Use singular verb.
Ajá.
No count nouns. Example.
Okay.
Correct.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
Main dish.
Ajá.
Rico. 2. Ice cream contains many calories.
Okay.
Correct. Rice are a main dish in Puerto Rico.
Okay.
2. Ice cream contains many calories.
Okay. Yeah, contain. Very good. What's your pronunciation in that case, Martin? Because this one, ice cream contain? No, right? It's contains because they're always going to be singular. All right?
Okay.
Although you
Right.
have a lot of rice, we take it as one unit. So it's always going to be singular. It's never going to be plural. All right? So rice is delicious, for example. Okay? Say rice are delicious. You always use a singular verb, okay? Ice cream contains, because it's singular, it's only one in this case, you say contains, not contain, all right? Ice cream is a non-count noun, however, we sell the whole unit as singular. The action verb contain, when used with a subject in third person singular, must be written with S form, all right? Let's see, another one. Continue, someone else reading, please. Another volunteer, someone that hasn't read anything. Marcelo, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Marcelo, can you read, please?
Some nouns can be either count or not count nouns.
Okay. Continue.
Examples. Not count. I would like some chicken.
Yeah.
Did you eat any cake?
Okay.
And count. There are 5 chickens in the yard. 2. I bought a cake at the
bakery. Very good. Okay, so listen to this. Some nouns can be both count and non-count. Okay, they can be both. So for example, I would like some chicken, like a piece of chicken. But if I have chicken in my patio, I say, hey, I have 5 chickens in my patio. All right. Did you eat any cake? All right, I'm not specifying the amount, so it's non-count. And then I say, oh, I went to Lido and bought a cake, or I bought 5 cakes for the celebration. All right, so some nouns can be count and non-countable. All right?
Just 2 or I...
Right.
No, there are many. Pizza, for example.
Oh.
All right, yeah. Beer, also. All right.
Also,
yeah, I know.
We know.
Okay, count or non-count nouns. In the following cases, there is a small difference in meaning. We see non-count nouns as a whole unit. We see count nouns as something that can be divided into parts. So, for example, we say common quantity words and meanings: a, count; an, count; many, count; much, non-count; a little, non-count; a few, count; some, for both count and non-count. You say, I want some apples and I want some water. All right, so it can be for both. So this is very important, guys, because this one is very specific with which type of nouns I'm going to be using each quantifier. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yes.
I think
yes. Yeah, everybody's there? All right, okay, right.
Yes.
Okay, common quantity words and meanings. Several, seguimos, several, count, only count nouns. Any, for both. But look,
Count.
any, yeah, any, use any with questions and negatives.
Negative.
Right? Yeah, with negatives and questions. No, you can say no water, no apples. All right, count, non-count. Use no with negatives, obviously. All right, enough we can use it for both nouns, count and non-count. A lot of, count and non-count. How much? Only non-count with questions. And how many? Count questions. Yes?
Non-question, how much, how many, count.
I say, how much water do you drink a day? All right. Or I say, how many glasses of water do you drink a day? Yes? Yeah, guys. Okay, okay. Hello. Yes?
It's very difficult. I think it's very important to have that lesson now. I don't know. Maybe you said that.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's a very good idea, Maribel. And also, don't worry, because today is only theory, 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 theory. Jessica's speaking all class. But tomorrow we're going to do practices with this.
But I've studied today, but that information is in the lesson.
No, of course not. Remember that in the videos, it's only a short part. All right, of the explanation. The rest, I do it here in class with you. All right, yes.
Can you send us the presentation?
Yes, I will send it. Yeah, I will send it.
Okay.
It's very big though. It's like, say, 60 slides. Yeah, but I think this information is very useful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, don't worry, I will send it to you guys. And as I said, Maribel, today only me talking. Tomorrow you talking. I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh boy.
All right.
A good idea.
Yeah, all right, very good. Okay, some, any, and no, okay? We're talking about, okay, so here we have examples, all right? For example, affirmative singular count noun, there is a clock in the kitchen because there's only one. Plural count, there are some windows in the kitchen. I don't know how many, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, I don't know, some, okay? Y como ya dijimos que some, we can use it for count nouns and non-count nouns, we can say there is some rice in the microwave, all right? Yes, then we can use a for negative. There isn't a clock in the kitchen. There's no clock in the kitchen. There is no clock in the kitchen. Whoa, what happened to my internet? All right, next one. There aren't any windows in the kitchen. And there isn't any rice in the microwave. We can use for both, for count and non-count. Yes? Then we have a question. Is there a clock in the kitchen? And then you say, are there any windows in the kitchen? Is there any rice in the microwave? All right. So any, again, for count and non-count. So some, any, and no can be for both count and non-count. Yes? All right, next one. A lot of, much, or many. Very good. Affirmative. Mother baked many cookies. Mother baked a lot of bread. Or we can also say mother baked a lot of cookies. But many is only for count nouns. Okay, many, yes. Mother didn't bake many cookies. Mother didn't bake much bread. So much is only for non-count and many is only for countables.
Negative.
Sure, or it can be, many can be for positive or negative. If you look at the first example, mother baked many cookies. All right, if it's positive. Yeah, and the other example is mother didn't bake many cookies, is negative. So you can use many for positive or negative, doesn't matter. All right, and much, you can use it for both also, but it's non-count. Okay, now a lot of, you can use for both, for count nouns and non-count nouns. Yes, for both. Now questions. Did mother bake many cookies? Did mother bake a lot of cookies? How many cookies did mother bake? Okay. All right, next one. Did mother bake much bread? Did mother bake a lot of bread? How much bread did mother bake? All right, so you're using much and a lot of, and then you're using many and a lot of. So a lot of you can use for count and non-count, much only for non-count, and many only for countable nouns. Yes? All right.
Yes.
Seguimos. Paramos. It's a lot. Ya casi termina. We're almost finished, guys, here.
No,
Okay.
no. Slow.
I know. A few and a little. All right. I spend a few dollars every day. So a few is with countable and a little is for non-countable. I spend a little money every day, maybe $1 or $2, right? Mike puts a little sugar in his coffee. Mike eats a few strawberries every morning. So you have to remember a few only for countable and a little for non-countable.
Non-count.
So that's the difference, all right? And then the other one, and then you can use a few in questions, in negative and affirmative. You can use a little in question, negative and affirmative for both, for everybody, all right? For every type of sentence or question that you're going to make. And then we have several, enough, and a lot of. All right, so several is only for count nouns, but enough is for both countables and non-countables. Okay? And a lot of, ya habíamos dicho, we can use for both. Okay?
A lot of, okay.
All right, very good. Okay, this is the exercise, but I don't know, can you guys tell me the time it is? Yeah, we're about to go. Don't worry about the exercises. Don't worry if you didn't, like, I know it's a lot of information, but we're going to practice more tomorrow. Today was only me talking and explaining, but tomorrow, guys, you will do some of the exercises and some practices with your partners, okay? Do you have any questions?
No for tonight.
No for tonight. No. Very good. All right. Anybody else? Maribel, questions? Martin, Francisco?
No, I need the presentation.
I know. You need the presentation. I know. Erika?
Very interesting. Very interesting.
It is very interesting.
I study the presentation.
Yes, I know, Erika. I'm going to send it to you guys, okay? Don't worry about it. I will send it. Reynaldo? Aparte de que you need the presentation, anything else?
I have studied much.
Yeah, you need to study. Yeah, we need to study. Don't worry about it, guys, okay? Marcelo, everything okay?
I want the presentation.
Yeah, I know. Everybody wants the presentation today. Very good. That's good. All right. Anybody? Joanna? How was it, Joanna? A lot of information?
Very study.
You need to study a lot. Yeah, I know. Okay, very good. Mauricio, everything okay?
Everything okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, guys, very good. So as I said, I'm going to try to send the presentation tonight, but I'm going to do it like about 10:30. If I don't do it tonight, I will do it tomorrow morning because I have a class right now after this one, okay? But I will send the presentation, don't worry, and then tomorrow we will do some more practices, okay?
Okay.
Yes? All right, guys. So good night. It's dream about count tonight, okay?
Okay.
All right. Cuenten las ovejitas y digan non-count nouns or count nouns. All right?
Son modelos.
All right, guys. Very good. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Good night.